Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I will be showing you how to add a document to a page to download it. Now, as you can see on this test page that I've set up on my website, I actually have a couple of different types of links here which all have documents underneath. So first of all, these are just regular links right here that you would expect to see in line with text, but actually when you click them, instead of going to another website or another page on your website, they're actually going to download a Word document. And then we have this nice little box here for downloads as well. So that really highlights to the person who's reading the page that there's actually something for download there with this little arrow. So I'm going to demonstrate how to add these two different types of links to your web page. So first of all, we're going to go back into the WordPress administration area. So you can see this is actually what it looks like in the back end when you have one of these green boxes. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you how to make a normal link for a document that will go on your website. So here we go. I'm going to type my line test document for download. And then I'm going to highlight the words that I want to make into a link. And the next stage, instead of creating a link, you will actually add media. So because you're actually adding something, like perhaps you would normally add an image, you'll go to the Media Center because you're actually adding a PDF document or maybe a Word document or even an Excel document. So I'm going to click Add a Media to open up my media library. And as you can see here, I've already got a document in here that I've used in the previous examples. So you will just need to upload a document into your media library, and I'm just going to quickly demonstrate that now. So I'm going to go and select files and view them on my computer, and let's just say I'm going to upload this document, Homeopathy for Headaches. There it is. Okay, and I have the choice to change the title. So I did just type the line, this is a test document for download. Now, if I don't change the title in here, the information that I just typed out will disappear. So whatever you want the link to say, you need to put it in the title here. So I'm going to put test document for download, and then I'm going to click insert into page. So there it is. Now, as you can see here in the previous example, I've actually put doc in brackets. So that's quite a good method to use. You know, a lot of people kind of expect that when they're looking at websites. It just gives the user a little bit more information about the link they're clicking on, that this is actually going to download something rather than going to another website. Now, second of all, I'm going to demonstrate how to put in your box, which is the download box that highlights that document a little bit clearer for the reader. So just to say that you do need to have a WooThemes template installed to do this. This is a shortcode that WooThemes have developed especially for their themes, and you may not have this on any other theme that you've downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Woo menu here on the toolbar where I have a couple of different options, and then I can insert an information box. So there's a couple of different ways that you could style your information box, and in this example we need to select the type drop down and then click on download, which is going to give you a green box with a little arrow, a downwards arrow to indicate that download. And I'm going to just say the content is please download this document before your appointment. Now I will need to put a link into that, but that just satisfies the fact that that's a mandatory field and it has to have information in there. You can change some of the style, the size and the styling of the box if you want to. You can give it round corners, you could give it a bit of a border if you wanted to, or just have a border at the top and bottom. So there's a couple of different options there for you. And then we're going to insert that box. And we don't actually have a link in there at the moment, so I am actually going to put in a link now. So as you can see, there's this code at the end here which just indicates that that is a box, so everything within these brackets here is actually the text within the box. So that is where I edit my text inside of the green box. So I've got the text already, please download this document before your appointment, and I'm actually going to need to insert a link in here. So I'm going to add something from my media library again. So if I click on Add Media, and I'm going to insert my Homeopathy for Headaches document. And you can see actually the title's changed now to the one that I used before. So I'm just going to change this to questionnaire. And then I'm going to insert that into page. And there we go. So now we have the text. Please download this document before your appointment. And then it says questionnaire. So I'm going to update that page, and then if I go back to the view page, and I'll see what people can actually see when they look at my website. So these are the ones that we've just actually inserted now. So I've got this inline link, test document for download, and as you can see, if I click on it, that's now downloaded that into my downloads folder, or I can download the document from this box. And again, if I click on that, that's downloaded another copy into my documents folder there. So that's it. That's adding a downloadable document to your page. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.